Welcome to Zero Markets. In this instructional video, we will guide you through the process of creating your MT4 Trading Account. Let's get started. To begin, access the Zero Markets portal and enter your email address, password, and complete the Google CAPTCHA to log in. Once logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard page where you can view and manage your existing trading accounts. Locate and select New Live Account. Choose MT4 from the available trading platforms. In the MT4 account settings, specify the desired currency and leverage for your account. Make sure to create or secure password for your MT4 account. You have the option to create or nickname for your trading account. Under the account type section, choose between your standard account or the Super Zero account based on your preference and trading needs. Once you have reviewed your selections, click on the Open My Live Account button. Congratulations! Your account with Zero Markets has been successfully opened. Thank you for choosing Zero Markets, and we wish you success in your trading endeavors.